Well, hello everyone, I'm back. This I have to say something for my wife. It's not because I don't want to eat it. If I eat it, I finish everything, okay? But today, since I have to say something for my wife, she like this. So I say two wing for her, or a small french fry. When she comes back, she can eat some of the french fry. And chicken wing. Meanwhile, let me say two like piece two for her too. I finish the rest of this. Very good, okay? This chicken wing, french fry. See, I finished up the spaghetti in tomato sauce. A little sweet, and all, but it's good season. My wife told me to order this meal, so just I'm sure to get some tonight. Oh.